Now, Storm Watch 12 weather with meteorologist Josh Culbreth.
Welcome back to News Watch 12 this morning, and we're seeing some chillier temperatures to the east of the Cascades this morning, where we're mainly in the 40s, but we're seeing 40s, 50s, and 60s for our west side valleys, much more comfortable for Montague and Medford, and then middle 50s along the coast in Curry County. Here is your outdoor dining forecast for today for the Rogue Valley. Going with 5 stars at lunchtime because we'll almost be sunny and 75, a little bit warmer than that. And then we'll be much warmer than 75 degrees come time for dinner time, although we'll still be a bit below average for this time of the year. We'll be just a few degrees below average, which means we'll still be pretty warm outside. We'll be in the upper 80s to the east of the Cascades, low 90s for west side valleys, and upper 60s along the coast in Curry County. And winds today will mainly come out of the west, some variation of that. We'll have winds gusting between 20 to 30 miles per hour, with the fastest wind gust being in the Shasta Valley and also along the coast in Curry County. We'll have some just very light haze for today, but that'll change into this evening and overnight with winds coming out of the north and west. That'll put a lot of that thick smoke from the bedrock fire into northern Klamath County and Lake County, and then also we'll see some pretty thick smoke from the flat fire in southern Curry County and Del Norte County. Other than that, we'll have a pretty nice night with temperatures that'll be pretty similar compared to what we're seeing for this morning, with middle to upper 40s to the east of the Cascades, near 60 for our west side valleys, especially for Medford, and then low 50s along the coast in Curry County. Over the next few days, our temperatures will, for the most part, stay pretty consistent. We'll get a little spike in the action for Tuesday, but back to right around what we're seeing for Monday, for Wednesday and Thursday. We're expecting just some very light haze, and then we start to heat things up big time into this weekend. You can see we'll start to make a run for triple digits once again into Saturday and Sunday, and that'll contribute to some critical fire weather impacts, and this certainly will not help. We'll get the return of some monsoonal thunderstorms to Klamath, Lake, and Siskiyou counties from Thursday through Sunday at the very least. Still, there's a lot of details to work out with this in terms of how much rain are we actually going to get from these thunderstorms. Will it be dry lightning? And of course, the timing of all of it, all still certainly up in the air, but you can see the combination of the heat and some of the lightning will contribute to critical fire weather impacts from Wednesday through Sunday. So Matt and I will keep a very close eye on all of it in the coming days. Here's a 7-day forecast for the coast. We'll see some hazy conditions for the foreseeable future, especially to the south of the flat fire, just until we get a little bit more containment on that particular fire. For Siskiyou County, just some very light haze over the next couple of days, and then it's going to be that Thursday to Friday time frame where we'll introduce some very small thunderstorm chances, but it only takes one bolt of lightning to start a fire, so that's what we're very concerned about. And we'll track that same chance for the Klamath Basin. Looks like maybe we could get those chances as early as Thursday, especially for Lake County. Then for the mountains, we'll also track the chance for thunderstorms Thursday through Sunday. And then for the Rogue Valley, it looks like we keep things dry over the next week, but starting to turn very hot over the weekend.